John Cato here, 30-minute trading, and I just wanted to show you a piece of code. Right, in S-Trader 2, it's a new indicator I created. I've embedded it within this expert advisor, and I'm running it on Wall Street, and I'm running it from 2018 in June to today, to Friday night, using the algorithm. And let's just bring this along here. I'm going to start that, and this is trading the S-Trader 2 based on some internal stuff I've got going on in there as well, and this is the indicator that I'm delivering to you right now. Let's just speed this up a bit. Okay, so here we are in February and so on and so forth. You can see it popping us into trades, out of trades. So we have the chart here. Let's just make that big. There's a trade that went long. That was its target, which it hit there. This was its stop, which was a long way away. I would recommend actually just using the candle as the stop. So let's get to that. Let's get to putting the indicators on it to show you how it maps up. So go to here, and we pick up the first thing that I want to put onto it, which is going to be the BBBR indicator. So let's just pop that on and drop it on there. There we have it. Okay, so when it's above the line, it's basically bullish. When it's below the line, it's basically bearish. Then we're going to put the litmus test onto it, and there we go. So we're going to pop the litmus test on, and that's the litmus test here, which is also telling us, right, that's bullish, that's in the neutral zone, so neutral bullish zone, that's the neutral bullish zone, then it's gone bearish there. And then I'm going to add on to it S-Trader 2, so let's just pop that on as a separate indicator down there. So we'll close that off. We'll tidy this up a bit so you can see more of the data, like that, like that. So now you can see it all better. And this is the report. It starts with 10,000. At the end of those trading, or the trades that you've seen on the screen, it's got 4,000. Its profit factor is 3.31. Absolute drawdown was really small. Let's have a look at the drawdown. Maximal drawdown is $393, and that is 3.09%. That's a really small drawdown. Let's bring this down a bit so you can see a bit more what's going on here. Taking you through it, the profit trades were a percent. There were 21 profit trades. That was 56.76%. And the largest profit trade here was 547. The largest loss trade was 383. The average profit trade was 274. The average loss trade was 108. So that's where the money comes, because the loss trades were smaller. So basically this is set up so that it will give you the trade alerts. It won't give you the false trade alerts. It's saying I want to use the BBBR indicator as being the way of measuring the trend, and I want to say that if it's -2 or more, I will accept that trade. And I'm saying that I'm going to put litmus min as a partial counter trend. Okay, so I'm not saying trend, partial trend, or anything like that. Partial counter trend, and you'll see the reason for that in a minute. Candle probability is true. I want that candle to close in the higher end of the candle. Reward probability is false. The risk percent on this is 1.6, and the stop distance I'm setting as candle, and that's basically all you need to do is set that up and trade it. If I look at the graph, you can see the graph is fairly good. It has periods when it pulls back, but actually it seems to be pretty good. What else to say about this? It's really a good result, and whether it will perform into the future, I don't know. Can't promise the future really. All I can say is that worked, and that worked over 37 different trades it took, and it was a year and 3 months, so that's roughly 300 days of trading perhaps. So 37 trades in 300 days of trading. I call that a really good result.